my birthday.
This is our little story and a true thing. Two hearts come together in a mutual ring, keeping it together with a real life. Welcome to the family, this is our life. It's perfect. I'll just set you here for me. You're the sugar to my tea. Meet the Mitchell family. Good morning, good morning, good morning. I don't know why I introduced him to Clubhouse. He has been in a Clubhouse chat.
Yo, Clubhouse are the MTM Clubhouse are the baddest app.
They try Clubhouse find us.
And me and some of my brethren them women not chat too much year now in our
Clubhouse
Clubhouse
last night. How this reach you already in our room?
Right now, live MTM this are go on Clubhouse.
Give this to Kali.
Good morning. Let's see your drawing. Very good.
And there's another one. This is Santa Claus.
Show me that one.
Will you give Santa Claus a cookie?
No, I won't. Very good.
I want a cookie.
Hello.
You up.
Let's begin. Do you have your things, your 5 things that begin with B? Good morning to you. And how do you do? Good morning, good morning, good morning to you. Baby eyes.
Come on, man, make us see you, no man, warm to you. What me carrying up and down for? Oh God! Oi! MoMo put on her Sunday best and come out. What going on? Are you pick out that suit there for her?
Yeah, MoMo going on the road.
Yellow shocking out.
I'm telling you.
I'm clubhousing, Wayne.
Yo.
It's insane.
Hi.
A Clubhouse, yeah, listen.
I saw you were in the same room as me. You left?
I lie. They're like, are you a morning person or are you an evening person?
I was there.
And I was like, yo, I'm an evening person, but I'm transitioning into the morning, so I must be like an afternoon person.
No, there's this person who said, oh, let me leave quietly. Hold on. There's this person who said the best thing. She was like, physically, I'm a morning person, but creatively, I'm an evening person.
Yeah, I heard. I was like, yo, I feel you, sis. I feel you, sis.
Me too. Alisa, she's like my friend now.
Yeah, so thank us later. Clubhouse, check it out, yeah? Don't sleep on it. Okay, guys, just stopped and got some ice cream for these boys because school done. And from yesterday, I promised them. Oh, ouch. Okay,
And it kind of feels good.
It feels good. Okay, gotta get it out. All right, cool. So I head home now because apparently Tami and MoMo are going on a shopping spree. Yeah, that's like a festive.
Yeah, man. Bye-bye. Me and Marina run when we now come back. I'm wondering if you can come. No. You're dirty. You need to be there. I'm come back in my shell. Well, MoMo and I are hitting the road. Hey! We just said to Angie, everybody say, we not sure we'll come back, you know. We might leave and not come back. Maybe we can go watch one movie. Bye! So we can run away together. You excited? Yes. What we're actually going to do is do a little shopping because it's MoMo's birthday tomorrow. Here, Mom. Which we're also excited about. How old are you going to be tomorrow? 59. 59. Oh, yes. Watch it. Atlas, you know. Stop pressing it, Atlas. So yeah, we're gonna go do a little shopping. I don't know if we're gonna film inside of the store, but we're gonna get 1 and 2 thing. Yep. Girls trip. Yay. Okay, we just put our mask. Maureen, what you say?
We're going on them
yes.
Right now. We're going right now on them.
Let's go. Oh my god, so we're inside the store now. MoMo is trying on a pair of jeans because she don't normally wear jeans. She normally only wear jean skirt. And she's in there. Yeah, wiggle. You have to wiggle and whine, you know. Alright. So excited. Yeah, look who in a sexy jeans. Maureen, I can't manage. This is what you must wear, girl. Hello. Yes. Cho. We are so excited. We're in the stop number 2. How are
Shopping for my birthday.
pull up your mask before they run out of the place. And we just stopped to get some shoes. We just did clothes. We're getting shoes now and then we're going back home. Yes. So many people have been so helpful today. We even met some MTMers. So yeah, we're gone again.
Ozzy, let me see the starfish. Do you like what Jackson is doing?
Yeah.
Lay down on the ground. Careful, don't make it trip. You bunky. I really enjoy watching them grow and seeing how them personalities coming through as they get older. You know, obviously they're at 2 different stages, but it's still just as exciting to watch Jackson's brain develop. Just as it is to watch this one brain develop. Tuko. What kind of trouble you give it? What kind of trouble you give it down there?
We just came into True Valley just to look and we booked up on Melanie, first cousin Melanie. Hi Melanie. And we're just looking around and she's helping us out. It's so nice to meet you. I'm happy. Yay! Guys, Momo and I just had, did we have so much fun?
Yes, I enjoy myself. Wow.
It's nice to do girly things sometimes.
Yes.
Without the boys.
Yeah.
And the man them.
Yes, we get a break. We can't be screaming now.
Yes.
Where is mommy? Where is mama?
You liked all the things that you got?
Yes, I love them.
Momo is in jeans. We get shoes. We get like a. It's not a bag. What do you call it? Like a fanny pack.
Yeah.
And then we were just in True Valley, as you saw. We met Melanie. And we got a little table and desk thing for the boys because they need a little place to do their homework and stuff. But that was so much fun. Yes. Happy birthday, Momo.
Thank you.
It's a pre-birthday present, but we couldn't do this on your birthday, so we're doing it a little before. We had fun. But tell the truth, Maureen, trying on clothes is hard work.
Yes.
Duh?
Yes, is it?
You want to see Maureen? She wiggle and she whine. I try to put on the jeans.
Guys, look out for me in my jeans. Here's I don't wear jeans pants.
I don't know why, because it
So
looks
just
so
look
good
out
on you.
for me.
Looks so good on you, girl. And your shoes.
Yes.
And then me, you, and Angie have the fanny pack,
Yes.
which I thought was very cute.
Yes.
We didn't leave out Angie.
No.
It's not Angie's birthday, but we still buy Angie 2 little thing. Oh, and we got Ozzy a little pair of shoes.
Yes.
Maureen, isn't it crazy like how much love and support we
Yes,
book up
with
so many people
yes.
every day that just
Yes.
had the nicest things to say. So many conversations and
So many love from the people too.
yeah, it was nice to meet everybody today. It was a blessing.
Yes.
Especially even you didn't get to even meet the ladies in the first store that we went to. Miss Riley and Miss Hales, they were so nice and so helpful. The ladies with the clothes,
Yes.
they were so nice. And then met everybody else too, which was so lovely. Good day, darling. Good day. We just reached home, but we forgot the gate opener. Hello, miss. Did you miss us?
Hey, the boys, them, they know here we.
They're going. Huh? Woo! We should have got eat.
Yes.
Hi, guys.
Hi.
It went great.
Any snacks?
No.
Back to reality.
Oi, where's the guan now? You never get her in her Sunday best, Tami? Where's the guan now?
One.
What you do?
A lot of things go on where you not see. But you're gonna see me when we get dressed Friday morning. Hey.
What go on?
What if things go on?
Tamara, what go on?
Verity, Maureen said, I just want some jean skirts. I said, Maureen, come man, time for try on something different to jean skirt, man. I could try on some
You get
jeans.
battery right off here?
Whoa!
Miss Angie, forward there. This need a little crowd. Yes, so them buy battery right up on the road.
I'm Mr. Wayne. Your wife run out with MoMo. She buzzy. Just
Buzzy.
wait till this year Friday, man.
So will I
Make
know?
sure you
Will I
never
know?
see it.
And not just one outfit, quite a few.
Just want to dress up and look nice, you know?
Okay.
Yes, look like a birthday girl.
MTM, one promise me I gonna make. Me I gonna give her a rum. So you see, you know when she turn up.
Why him can't stop laughing? They give me so much trouble.
Schoolwork time over here, so.
I actually just got these 2 desks and chairs for them.
Oh, for real?
Why are you laughing? What's wrong? It's not sweet to him.
I laughed in the behind water.
What's so funny?
What's so funny?
My eyes are full of water.
Yes, why?
It's like my eyes are drinking water.
You alright?
I like them desks here.
They're nice, right?
Them desks here well studios.
Yeah.
And while I watch TV, them can do them work and do them art.
Oh man, you laugh till you cry. That's what it's. This is a you turn TikTok star though.
TikTok star? No.
Yeah.
I want to tell you, say, me a buzz more over the gram more than TikTok. But me I go and try a fight. Me I have to try to figure out, you know what I mean?
It looks like you figured it out though. It looks like you figured it out. Hold on, let me ask people if they think you figured it out. I'm gonna drop a clip right here.
My first clip.
Look at this.
Jerome just stab up Ricky up the road.
A lie.
A real thing, man.
A lie.
4 stab.
A lie.
Just the coil.
A true.
Me did out there, me see it for myself.
A true.
You're the man I tell me.
A lie.
Brother, all his mother dropped down.
Jesus, Father, God of creation.
She gone to hospital too. Yeah, brother. When me tell you how long say them 2 there.
A lie.
Brother, you want to see
A lie.
PZ taxi? Jesus,
A
peace.
true.
The whole place tense now.
Jesus, Father, God of creation.
You the man.
A lie.
Yeah, if I lie down
A
on a
lie.
cross like Jesus Christ. No.
A true. Jesus, Father, God of creation.
Wicked. You know, the guy who did the original video,
Raoul
Blaze, you know, says he's a private tutor though.
No, he's a brilliant guy.
Yo, the man is very interested. Me, I wonder what kind of Jamaican this talk patois, talk French, Spanish, Japanese. He used to teach in Japan.
Yeah, he's brilliant.
And him fluent in all of them. That's
And he's
crazy,
hilarious.
bro.
And you guys made a good team without even knowing it.
Yeah. Might have to do a part 2 with him.
Yes, it's true.
I want a teacher.
You want what?
I want a teacher.
A what?
Teacher.
Oh, you want me to pretend to be a teacher?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. The ladies in Rapid True Valley say, I mustn't feel no way to eat.
I'm if I tell you about it.
Wow.
And they not trust the body when I eat.
Yo, you have to just move at to your own beat.
Mommy,
Yes,
That's
babe.
it.
this tickle. Mom, I'll just.
So Tommy, a little while ago, kind of Atlas Aggie was giving consistent trouble throughout the afternoon, right?
Oh my God, like what was he on?
So I stay so now and I say, alright, I could go outside, go take some fresh air. So I open the door. And him proceed to push the door, shoot the door with a force on the plant them. So I say, hey boy, I'm going to, like regular parental reaction, I'm hold him by him hand. So I hold him by him hand for pull him back inside. I look up and see the next door neighbor, I look at me, she's down on her front garden. And I say, oh no, oh no, oh no, no, no. Because you know it got in the moment that them good at thinking of them mind say, Lord, we might build the youth so but she will like no. But I never nothing me never do him nothing per se, but me pull him back inside
But
like
he must listen too. He must listen. Suppose if he drop.
naughty.
Wait, she'll never look at you the same.
She'll never look at me
Every
the
time
same.
she's here, she'll go, oh no. Oh boy. We just snuck out for a little dinner because the kids are gone to bed and well you know the rest of the story. So we're eating Indian tonight and Ellis, my friend here, is gonna help us. Ellis just told me a story that he knows Daddy from back at 24K where they used to play pool and he was a champion.
Yeah.
We were there for 20 odd years. Yeah, amazing. So, yeah.
Yes, sir, Ellis.
I'm gonna bring Daddy to see you for sure. Thank you for that story. I'm so glad when we get a chance to sneak away. Momo, honestly, Wayne, today was one of the best days of my life.
For real?
Yeah.
Tell me make sure MTM catch peace, you know.
I didn't
And
really get
me,
in the store, but
I
let me
kinda
tell
wanna
you
know what's
something.
up.
It was just the delight of being able to do that. I felt like we were in a movie. It was so good. It was good. It was feel good.
You have footage and now tell me.
No, I didn't get any in the stores. It's
No, but just her expression and just capturing the moment.
I tell you what, all of the good stuff happened off camera.
Why? You know
Because
MTM.
I know, but
fast
you realize that life is happening though still. You know what I mean? So I'm not gonna like me and Momo aren't gonna be like hugging and excited and I just naturally think take out the phone. You know, like you ruin a moment sometimes.
I know, but me didn't want to.
Well, you'll see her on her birthday.
We were young and we were free and running, never bothered about what could be coming. Every day we danced and life was smiling. We were young and drunk in love. A few years later I have started thinking, if it's just love in every glass I'm drinking, we're like one and without you I'm sinking. I'm always shining next to you. Oh, I got you, there's no reason to chasing pavement on my own, 'cause you're here to stay every night and day. I'm delighted 'cause I got you.
I have always been afraid of changes, but you show me life is full of faces. Sometimes clouds got in our favorite places.